What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars. On today's episode we're just going to be covering tall guy, not car reviews anymore. We're just going to cover that. That's all we're covering today. And if you're new to the channel, guys, thanks a million for clicking on the video. We basically just discussed about what's going on in the car community, just my own thoughts and opinions. That is it in the comments below. So please do consider smashing the subscribe button and even better the like button. Plans for the channel are to get 2,000 subs by the end of the year and to get a project car as well. So let's jump into today's video. As I said, I'm not going to keep it too long. I know other channels have covered this subject, so Tall Guy has come out stating that he's changed the name of the channel now to Tall Guy, and he's going away, completely gone from car content. He's now gone into trucking, and yeah, I just feel, you know, his whole channel is built on him doing the car reviews. Like, I just feel like he's really wasted the channel away. I know he's got married and he's doing Love and Slim, I think it is, and he's concentrating on that and stuff, and it's unfortunate because he's just let his channel slide, and he could have propelled it, you know, into something else. It's been stuck, I think, around the same subs all the time. His views have really dipped. Like, I mean, you know, for somebody that has 865,000 or 64,000 subscribers, if you're only getting around 30-40,000 views, that's really bad. Yeah, I mean, like, I can't, with a lot of channels that do this move, you know, don't end up surviving. I mean, it's just, I can only see his channel slowing, basically dying a slow death. You know, I mean, look, he has his hardcore supporters, core supporters there. If you are supportive of him, guys, please do let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen to Tall Guy's channel? Do you think he's going to be able to keep this up? Will he go back into cars? What do you think about him doing trucking content now? I mean, I used to watch him, you know, I think around a year and a half ago, and, you know, he used to have some really good content. But it looks like he just ran out of ideas. You know, it's gone nowhere. And he had a great chance to really make something of the channel, but he just got lazy, I feel, and just kept doing the same stuff over and over again, and just left it off and just didn't bother anymore. And now, like, it's just feel like it's subpar, you know, content that he's throwing out these days, you know. So it looks like that's it. It looks like he's done and dusted with the cars. He said he will maybe sometimes go back to cars, but I just feel this change for him will just kill his channel. As I said, he'll pull in his usual 20 to maybe 40,000 views of his hardcore supporters, but apart from that, you know, I mean, that's it. Like, I don't know where this channel is going to go. Like, trucking isn't for me. But I mean, look, he's probably finished now at this stage, so unfortunate. He could have made a good channel, but best of luck to him. You know, new adventure for him. All you can do is wish him good luck, and that's it. Like, you know, this is probably the last time I'll be covering him unless something crazy happens. But yeah, I mean, look, let me know what you think about this in the comments below, guys. Are you a big Tall Guy fan, or if you're not, or, you know, what you think is going to happen going forward? I think he's pretty much, the channel's done. He should have started a new channel at this stage. But yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. You know, it's probably the last one we'll be probably covering unless he goes back to the cars. So best of luck to him in his channel. I mean, he's finished now with the cars stuff, so yeah. I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks a million again if you've watched to the end. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please do smash that like button and even better, hit the subscribe button. Do support the channel, and I will have a video out tomorrow. I might just keep these videos short, clean ones for the moment till I can get back into a rhythm of things. I'm still having issues with my laptop, so that's why I'm not posting as much, but hopefully I will get back into the rhythm soon enough. So until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.